Clean your face, pat dry, apply your toner, let it settle for 2 to 3 minutes. Then apply 2 to 3 drops of Ridacne SA Serum Salicylic Acid 2%. Gently massage in upward circular motions till it is completely absorbed. The 2% salicylic acid in Ridacne SA Serum purifies the skin, prevents acne and removes whiteheads, blackheads and blemishes. Wait for some time before layering it with your chosen skincare product. Controlling the production of excess sebum, Ridacne SA Serum Salicylic Acid 2% unclogs blocked skin pores and shuts out new acne lesions. Use Ridacne SA Serum Salicylic Acid 2% in your evening skincare routine to achieve best results. It is best suited for moderate to severe acne and oily combination and acne-prone skin. Well, goodbye blemishes and acne, and welcome clear and radiant skin.